Hello, everyone. Today, our topic is how to add a vendor in EZCorporate ERP. To add a vendor, you first have to go to the Accounts menu. Then, in the Definition settings, select Vendor Information and then define the business sector, like rental, contractor, material supplier, or general vendor, and also define vendor document types like CR, VAT national address, and bank details. After that, come to Manage Vendor and New Vendor. Enter the vendor name. If it is in Arabic, then enter it in the vendor field. Enter the contact person's name, and if you have an NTN, then add NTN. Or if you have a CR, then add CR. And if you have an STN, then add STN. Or if you have a VAT number, then add VAT. Enter the address, contact number, mobile number, email address, bank name, and account number, and select the business sector. If you have a vendor file number, you can add it from there. If your vendor is working with you on a commission basis, you can add the percentage of commission and also mention the currency name. And if you have any main vendor, you can select it and add it. If your vendor is FBR registered, then you can add the information of FBR, SRA, Sindh Revenue Authority number, CNIC number, and PRA Punjab Revenue Authority number. If vendors have multiple locations, you can add their country, city, contact, address, and email. If you have a vendor contacts person, you can add the person's name, designation, mobile number, contact name, contact 3, and email address. The vendor document upload from there selects the document name, document number, and attached PDF from the system folder. Add bank account information, account title, bank name, account number, and IBAN. If the main vendor has a sub-vendor, then add the sub-vendor information and close. When all details related to the vendor are added, then it is approved. In any case, if you want to edit information, then come to Edit Vendor, select the vendor name, and proceed. Kindly like our channel and subscribe. Thank you.